In this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove the emoji keyboard on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Now I opened up the Note application, I'm on keyboard and there I don't get emoji icon, it must be right there. But there is no emoji button. So all I have to do to add this button here is open up settings, there go into general, next hit on keyboard, keyboards, and there hit on add new keyboard. Now there you can use search to find emoji, and that's it. Now one new keyboard was added to that list. I can go back to notes and as you see the emoji button appeared right there next to that symbols icon. That's how it works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.